be honest with you. This is a fixed game. Crypto's a fixed game. The markets are a fixed game. When you look at the kind of people involved, these are the kind of entities: the Chinese government, the U.S. federal government, Cornell University, Google, Microsoft, Swift, Santander, the UN. These are the kind of entities that would not bet on a horse that would lose. You know what I mean? They would not all come together and all pour in so much time and money and effort and R&D staff to build with this protocol for years if it wasn't going to amount to something significant. And we're starting to see the trickle of significance come in with the going from $0 of DeFi in June to $15 billion of DeFi today, most of which is secured by Chainlink. We can see the massive exponential levels of growth already happening. And to be honest, a lot of it is catalyzed by COVID-19. A lot of it has been catalyzed in ways like pushing forward blockchain in a sense of digital currencies, not just to aid in the financial turmoils that economies are going through, but to also aid on the forefront of the virus itself, minimizing viral presence through physical cash transfer. Digitizing cash reduces surface area of touch, reduces viral load. You've got digital identity. South Korea, Japan, many other countries have already implemented COVID immunity passports, and many other larger countries like the US are looking into it very, very closely to see as an interim solution for allowing businesses to reopen while still maintaining safety standards regarding the viral contact tracing. There's a lot of parts of this that have been planned out for a long time that are coming to fruition, and it's a little intimidating for some. Things like the digital identity. Seeing ID 2020 pitched as an idea 2 years ago, seeing the Chainlink team very actively involved with it, such as Ari Jules and Andrew Miller and others, Van Chang, being involved in the distributed identity paper shown here. And then you've got Hyperledger working through Hyperledger Avalon, using a trusted execution environment similar to Town Crier in Chainlink. They've already admitted to working with Chainlink to build their secure Oracle system. Hyperledger is IBM's blockchain. They are the ones that are building Hyperledger Indy, which is the UN's distributed identity blockchain, again, advised on by other team members. You see the connections both at the infrastructure level and at the advising governance level of these systems. This is a game that is fixed. And if you bet, this is not financial advice, but I'm going to show you reasons why I'm all in on Chainlink, and I think that they're going to, it's going to be a good explanation, and you're going to understand why I would do such a thing. Well, Chainlink wasn't the best performing asset 3 years in a row for no reason. I told you I wouldn't talk about price at the beginning of this, but going up 600% year to date in the middle of a COVID, global economic collapse, that's pretty significant, I would say. That's more than significant. That is life-changing for some.